but acrylic does not like to be trimmed. It's the mom that does, and you're like, Mom, did you realize what was on this? And she's all like, yeah. Yup. Yeah, Mom, just Ghibli Studios, Mom. Those girls seem to sweat a lot on their faces. Uh-huh. It's just hot there, Mom. Yeah, it was the day my oldest son, came home and he's talking to us, and he's like, I really like things with tentacles. And like, note to self, put blocker on internet, and tentacle porn. Yeah. Oh no. Yes, we. I think he even said it to my brother, his uncle, and he's just like, and I'm like, no. Oh my. No. Oh, I've seen it. There's actually there's a Twitch streamer that designs custom dildos, and like they had a whole run of like Cthulhu themed and tentacle themed dildos that they were creating on stream. Gamer convention the same weekend, same hotel as Anthrocon. So I saw a receipt in my emails for manga, and yeah, it was similar. These are called grinders, not dildos. Oh, okay. Gotcha. I still have a bunch of these cups, guys, and they're from Play in the Mud, and they are the best water cups. They keep your water nice and cold for a very long time. They're really heavy duty. I don't drink a lot of coffee out of them because I have a cat, likes to stick her paws and everything. I don't know how they do with keeping things warm, but they definitely keep things cold. So I don't watch any TikTok. I have no interest in TikTok. I should be on the TikToks, but I'm not. I never work. I bought 3 from her. Oh. From the streamer or from the TikTok person? Hey, Decibel the trainer. How's it going? Doing all right? Trying to wrap up this Jack in the Box. Yeah, it's just committing to it. That's the problem. It's a lot of work. I wouldn't know what to post. It's a damn good water cup. It's Vex's too, but it just leaks all over the place. That's because that's a joke, because Vex's arrived in about 50 pieces. So just posts from my stream, clips of what you make, you can edit and upload. That's a lot of work. It holds brushes great. Snippets from your podcast too. Oh. He got James's dragon, in the same amount of pieces. Okay, so like the price that I gave for making one of these is from scratch. The design is done. They get cheaper now. that's the thing. It's like a lot of people, like the custom stuff is expensive because I've got to figure it out. Once it's figured out, that's why the snow globes are only 50 bucks. Because it's $27 in materials. And then it's me spending 20 minutes to put it together. So it's 50 bucks. I make hardly any money on it. Like the clip of you drawing the Ninja Turtles singing about a scrotum. I don't even remember that. Did I do that? Just got done making my pup a Halloween bow tie, and he's currently showing it off. Oh, that's cute. Got a picture? Send a picture. If Paul had TikTok, he'd have a really good outlet for all his great stories. I don't know. I need like a personal trainer for TikTok. Did I really say that? We don't need Teenage Mutant Ninja Scrotums. Scrotums that are too large. Oh. Scrotums that are too large. A lot of Twitch folks just upload clips too. Yeah, but who the hell's watching that? Who would want to watch somebody's clips from their show? Yeah, I have an account. I do have Paul Pape Designs as a TikTok handle. So I mean, if I ever got into it, I could do that. But you watch Twitch clips on TikTok? Only the funny parts? How would you know it's funny until you start watching it? Is that like TikTok is a rabbit hole of time? Because I don't know. I don't look at it. I don't know. Oh. All right. So there we go. So like to make another one of this like smaller would be a lot less expensive. Like honestly, if they were fast enough to do, this